public transportation plays a big part in our lives in Hong Kong. In 2018, there were over 12 million passenger journeys on our public transport system every day. In other words, every person in Hong Kong makes more than one journey using our public transport every day. Long queues, unreliable, packed. These are synonymous with our public transportation. 3 Hong Kong UST students had an idea of using big data to save our travel time, to improve our journey experience. They are SOSIF.
我哋公司叫做 SOSIF 啦，其實係一間做智慧出行啊、智慧交通呢啲產品方案嘅初創公司嚟嘅。咁其實我哋主要就係 serve B to B 同埋 B to C 嘅客戶啦，係啦。咁喺 B to B 一啲對企業客戶方面咧，其實我哋主要就係去服務一啲叫做客運公司啦，例如話港鐵啊、九巴啊、一啲嘅小巴公司啊、香港嘅運輸署啊等等嘅。咁我哋同時間亦都有去服務好多嘅物業管理公司啦，佢哋為佢哋旗下嘅一啲穿梭巴士去提供一啲可能叫做實時到站預報啊等等嘅一啲乘客資訊嘅服務嘅，係啦。咁我哋都有去服務一啲叫做工程公司，係啦。咁去幫佢哋做一啲叫做智慧交通測量嘅系統方案嘅。咁而喺對市民大眾 B to C 方面咧，其實我哋都整咗一啲 APP 啦，一啲嘅 App 叫做例如話搭車 Easy， 其實係一個叫做智慧交通嘅 APP 嚟嘅。咁主要就係可以做翻啲叫做共享巴士啊、網約巴士嘅一個方案，就俾翻市民大眾咁去透過我哋平台咧就可以去叫做 book 到一啲穿梭巴士啦，就做到啲叫做點對點嘅一啲服務啦，咁樣係啦。咁呢個都係我哋嚟緊會同時間都會搞好多唔同嘅主題式嘅出行啦，例如話寵物出行啊。咁所以我哋嚟緊就會 keep 住去保持同一啲巴士公司合作啦，咁希望可以為香港咧創造一種全新嘅交通模式。咁當中其實都會有牽涉到好多大數據啊、數據分析嘅一啲概念添嘅之後。
When Jason, Simon and Gash studied at the Hong Kong UST, they formed a student research team. They measured the arrival time for the green minibus of the Hong Kong UST route.
咁大概有 Year 2去到 Year 3一年嘅時間咧，我哋就不斷自主一個 project 啊，就唔係話因為啲咩比賽或者 FYP 嘅，反而就係想做一樣嘢出嚟係啦。咁我哋有1年嘅時間，就每個禮拜6日咧，咁我哋都會返科大。咁每一日就搭10幾程嘅車小巴，咁去收集一啲行車嘅數據啦。咁最初我哋就係用一啲 timer 啦，咁喺度撳每一個站用幾耐啊，咁就撳，咁然之後就將嗰幾百程嘅 trip 嗰啲數據就可能拉翻個 average 啊，係啦，或者睇翻嗰個實時嘅 location 再去計咁樣。咁所以我哋嗰陣時其實做咗一個 prototype 出嚟嘅，係啦。咁我哋都有試過去揾一啲相關嘅小巴公司去傾啦。咁但係最尾就係好就係喺科大嘅支援底下啦、支持底下啦，咁我哋最終咧就真係做咗一個落地嘅案例，叫做 UST Transit。咁可能同學仔之前都會聽過啦，或者略有所聞啦。咁UST Transit 就係我哋SOSIF，係我哋 SOSIF 呢一間公司第一個嘅一個商業嘅一個案例啦。咁就係服務香港科技大學嘅Campus Service Office 校園設施部門。咁我哋就係喺大概45部來往科大嘅綠色小巴上邊，就包括11號啊、11M 啊、12號，咁就去安裝呢一個叫做定位裝置啦 ，GPS tracker， 咁再透過喺每一部車上面收集翻嚟嘅實時數據，再加過往嘅數據，再加現時道路上邊唔同嘅一個交通嘅狀況，塞車唔塞車等等，咁從而去計翻一個準確嘅一個實時到站嘅資訊啊，或者資料就去落翻個 APP 度。咁所以咧同學仔其實係可以見到而家嗰架小巴喺邊度啦，咁條路有冇擠塞啊，架車幾時到啊，幾多分鐘到啊，等等呢方面嘅資訊。
In 2020, SOSIF worked with the Hong Kong Telecom Limited to bid for the real-time arrival information system for Green Minibus project from the Transport Department. Simons of SOSIF is a computer engineering graduate from Hong Kong UST in 2018. He is responsible for software development and research Internet of Things solutions.
其實呢一個項目咧係由香港政府嘅運輸署啦去主導嘅，然之後意在咧就係為全港3500部嘅綠色小巴去提供呢個實時到站預報系統，同埋俾咁多間嘅小巴營運商咧可以有一個車隊管理系統。咁其實咧運輸署咧其實整體上咧都好想去提升綠色小巴嘅服務水平啦，而坊間咧其實都有好多嘅主要嘅一啲交通嘅營運商啦，例如九巴啊、新巴、城巴，其實都有實時到站預報系統嘅，所以咧運輸署亦都希望將呢一個嘅技術帶入去綠色小巴咁樣啦。 因為運輸署有呢一個嘅願景啦，然後咧其實佢哋都有一個嘅投標程序會去做嘅。咁咁啱咧，其實香港電訊啦，即係 HKT 啦，見到呢一個嘅標書，咁咧其實佢都係一路去揾緊一啲唔同嘅技術伙伴啦，可以提供到呢一個技術俾綠色小巴嘅。咁所以我哋之前因為幫科大都做過一個類似嘅專案啦，咁所以咧香港電訊亦都揾咗我哋去同埋大陸公司去一齊去合作去做呢一個 project 咁樣咯。咁其實成個系統咧主要分為3部分啦。咁首先第一就係data collection， 第二就係 data cleaning， 而第3咧就係 model training 啦。
For more technical details of the system, please watch the full version of this case study. In the future, SOSIF will apply the real-time arrival information technology to other areas and to other markets.
其實除咗綠色小巴之外咧，我哋都將呢一個技術應用喺運輸產業入邊嘅唔同嘅交通工具啦。咁例如有唔同嘅居民穿梭巴士啦，另外都有紅色小巴咁樣嘅。咁其實呢兩樣交通工具嚟緊都陸陸續續咧會去開始應用我哋嘅實時到站預報系統啦。咁除咗香港之外咧，其實我哋亦都將呢項技術去應用喺其他嘅國家嘅，例如東南亞嘅國家啦。咁入邊咧亦都包括文萊啦，文萊亦都有一啲嘅營運商咧，亦都係願意想去試用呢一種嘅實時到站預報系統，所以亦都去同我哋去接洽，睇下我哋可唔可以提供到佢哋需要嘅一個產品方案嘅。
SOSIF 其實係一個拼字嚟嘅 ，SOC 其實我哋本身就係取呢個 society 嘅意思，咁 IF 嗰個咧就係一個imagination， 同埋你見到其實嗰個 local 嘅 design 其實係一個拼圖咁嘅樣嚇。咁嗰個大意就係話咧，其實我哋 SOSIF 係覺得啦，就係一個社會 society 其實係由唔同嘅方案去組成嘅，係啦。咁啊有唔同嘅 puzzle 啦，唔同嘅方案去 contribute to 呢一個叫做衣食住行各個方面，成個 society 都係唔同嘅方案去 empower 佢。咁我哋 SOSIF 其實係想成為將來社會上邊嘅一個 advocate 啦，一個倡議者，係唔同 solution 都有我哋嘅倡議嘅成分喺入邊。我哋係想喺將來為社會提供各個方面嘅一啲唔同嘅智能方案啊、technology 啊，令到喺人們或者成個城市嘅衣食住行每個方面都會有我哋 SOSIF 可以貢獻到嘅一啲方案。
In our DASC program, we use real projects as case studies so students understand how big data is being applied in our societies to solve problems. SOSIF is one of the case studies, and we are working with more companies to provide up-to-date case studies for our students.